Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Mayroong Pampanga. For today's video, isa na namang staycation ang i-feature natin dito sa ating channel. Ito po ang Tres Marias Villas and Resort located sa May Angeles, Pampanga. If you wanna know more about this, the amenities, the sightseeing, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Area guys, located yung dalawang pool natin. Now the pool sizes, since may dalawa tayong pool, no, this one has a really large area and then the other one I think is good for kids. Now dito rin sa pool na to, we have a slide that is for adult and also for kids. Coming in dito sa pinaka main function hall nila, this place is actually very fit for large gathering. As a matter of fact, ang capacity natin dito is up until 70, up until 100, no? Pwede pa natin i-extend dun sa open area dito. You can add tents. This is the typical setup. Pansin nyo guys, if you want it this way, eh ganito na yung mga tables and chairs na pwede natin gamitin dito. You also have a stage that you can use. Ito, simple stage. And then bar counter that you can also utilize. With regards to the lighting, ang ganda rin ng mga lightings nila dito. Very, what is it? Vintage. Parang ganun yung kulay nito. And then you are actually surrounded by tons of plants like bamboo. What do you call this? Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan ng halaman, pero it's actually surrounded by plants. The difference of Tres Marias with the other staycations, this one po is a hybrid of a private villa and yung communal or public. So meron tayo ditong mga day tours, good for, you know, group swimming, and then rent ka ng cottage dito. Now if you want an overnight stay privately, meron po sila dito. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, mayroon tayong private villa inside the resort. This is actually gated privately for you to enjoy. So what's inside here is you get this lush green lawn. I can almost imagine, no, you can actually put some tables and chairs, and then meron tayong maliit na parang outdoor event, no. So meron din tayong roofed section, which is this one. I think this is up until 20. Itong section naman ito is actually a room for one bed. Dito sa left side naman, meron tayong pool. So this is your own pool. The size of this pool is small. Siguro depth natin dito is up until 3 feet. But I think this place, itong lugar na to, is really well designed and well maintained. That's my take. Ang ganda. This is how it looks like during the evening. Notice, meron tayong mga fountain that is really towering. Ang tatas ng mga fountain dito. And yeah, I think this place is very suitable for, you know, night swimming or even overnight. Meron po silang mga cottages dito that you can also rent, you know, to drink siguro, kwentuhan with your barkada. So let's talk about our room. Very typical, nothing too fancy. Actually, our room has one bedroom, good for 2 to 3 person. Meron tayong additional mattresses for our kids. Now dito sa labas, meron na tayong tables and chairs. You can have your dinner here or lunch or even work. You can actually work here.